Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer, and today we're gonna talk about while loop in R. So how we are gonna use while loop in the RStudio. And one thing I wanna tell you, you can contact me on this WhatsApp or mail if you have any problem with your ongoing coursework or projects of your university or whatever you are enrolled in, right? Let's just get started with the while loop. And so the basic structure of the while loop in the R is you're gonna write the keyword while, and in the brackets there will be a logical expression, and there will be curly brackets, and in curly brackets you will write what you want to execute based on a condition, right? And let's say I want to print my name, and my name is Obed, right? And this logical expression, let's say I just uh, say true, right? Okay, let's just see how it goes, right? So you can see it keeps on printing well, because it's always true. We have no condition to make is false yet, so just click on there and print escape, so it will just come out of this loop. Otherwise it's an infinite loop. Let me just write it down, and you can get this code also by contact me or just text me on the WhatsApp, right? Infinite loop, right? Because it will just run infinitely times, right? And let's make this infinite loop something called finite, which is like we will give a condition, and up to that condition is met, it will execute my name. Otherwise it will just come out of that loop. So how we're gonna do that? Let's create a variable, give it a value of 1. So this is now 1, and we are saying while x is less than maybe 11, because we want to print bad for 10 times. And then we will just say x, you're gonna increase x with 1. So let's just print it out. Okay, so we got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So it got 10 time executed our while loop expression, and based on a condition. So that's how you can use the while loop structure in the RStudio. And I hope you can understand what we are doing is every time it execute my name, it's gonna increase the value of x by 1. So it will be for the second time it will be 2, and 2 is absolutely less than 11, so it's gonna again print my name. And when the x will be 11 and 11 is not less than 11, so it's gonna be false, so it will just stop and come out of this loop, right? So that was it for this tutorial, and I hope you have understood the while structure, and I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.